What's up, guys? This is a 2019 Porsche GT3RS, and it's pretty much a street legal race car. Today, we're gonna do a walk around of the car, go over its options, and then take it out for a spin. So stay tuned.
This 2019 Porsche GT3RS is finished in black, and it has tons of extra carbon fiber thanks to the optioned Y-Sock package. This vehicle is a 3-owner with no accidents or damage reported on the Carfax or AutoCheck. It also features a full body paint protection film or PPF, so she's dialed. And these tires, as you'll see here, are like new. They have a 2025 date code, so it is ready to go. The only other mod outside the PPF is this catback JCR exhaust. Let's give it a listen. I feel like that exhaust makes this car so much more alive. Definitely awesome. Here you get a quick look at the full carbon fiber wing on the back of the car, which is probably my favorite part of this car. Some other notable options is it does have the front axle lift, it has the chrono package, which we'll see all that stuff on the inside, the dashboard trim in leather, steering column in leather. It's decked out. Had a sticker of $251,000, so she's a well-optioned example. Quick shot of that full carbon fiber roof. The glass is clean, no cracks. Pits are very minimal. If you've been paying attention, there's no wheel rash on any of the wheels. This thing is sweet. Do a little close-up shot here for the front bumper. There are some small little dings in the paint protection, but that's to be expected on a car like this, especially with black. You can pretty much see everything. Front splitter looks good. Front grills look good. Everything on this car looks dialed. I mean, there's really no issues that I could find. Moving to the interior of the car, you get the awesome GT3RS door cards with the carbon fiber Alcantara all over. Carbon fiber kick plates there, or sill plates. Shot of the VIN, built in 2019 in March. And you get that GT silver interior. The contrasting that black looks really nice. So this is interesting. On both seats, you have these little protectors. You can see the seat underneath it. The little protectors to protect the side bolsters where you sit down on either side. The actual seat backing, it doesn't have those protectors, but it's just a note there. There are currently 10,481 miles on the car, and really importantly, this car does come with a factory CPO warranty until 2026. So you can hit me up and get some more info on that. Here you got all your exhaust buttons and suspension stiffening, things like that. Full Alcantara interior on the top there. And a quick shot of the rear. It doesn't look like any roll cage, aftermarket roll cage was ever installed on the car. All the carpet looks intact, and yeah, everything looks factory. Moving over to the passenger side, another quick shot of the door card. Sorry, the sun is killer at this time, so a little bit of a lens flare, apologize there. But carbon fiber sill plate, there's your fire extinguisher. Another shot of these awesome seats. These things are sweet. Kind of hard to get in and out, but you can see there's those covers on the passenger side as well. Get your carbon fiber Y-Sock on the dash. Yeah, pretty cool. This full options list is on our website, but if you wanted to pause the video to take a look at everything it has, there you go. Now, under the front hood is where you have your storage on this car. It's not a lot, but it gets the job done. full carbon fiber hood, as you can tell, which is pretty sweet. But yeah, there's your storage. Got your 2 little tire inflator, things like that. Emergency roadside stuff there. Yeah, it's really standard. All right, well, let's go take this thing out for a spin and show you how it drives.
Okay guys, this is the 2019 Porsche GT3RS that we have for sale. Here's the key. It's cool. It's got like the painted black, which is to match in the car. 2 keys, of course. What a car. This car is super, super cool. Really, if you know, you know. I know there's some fans out there that absolutely obsess over these cars. I'm one of them. I know I put this in the video earlier, but here's all the options, which it came out to $250,000 brand new. We're asking just north of that, so just a testament to how good these cars are, even with almost 10,500 miles. Typical Porsche start. Key goes on the left-hand side. If you didn't know, they do that because back in their racing heritage days, cars were manual, so you should be able to put the car in gear after you ran to your car, put the car in gear, and start the car at the same exact time, just saving that extra little bit of second from taking your hand to turn the ignition on here and then putting in a gear, so on and so forth. So here we are in the 2019 GT3RS. Great car. This is basically a track weapon that you can drive on the street. Previous owner has a wireless CarPlay Bluetooth thing, which is not there. This little dongle there, you can take that out and it goes right back to your standard Porsche stuff here. But yeah, overall, what's really great is the timeless design of the gauges. I mean, these are iconic. It's some of my favorite gauges out there. Big old tachometer in the middle, revs to about 8,500. Maybe more. Somebody could correct me. I'm sure somebody will. There's Porsche fanatics out there. But yeah, I mean, yeah, this thing is super, super sick. It's a very race car. I mean, like the door handles are a strap to get out, which is kind of wild. On either side, you got your fire extinguisher. It feels very race car in here, right? So, but enough talk. Let's take it out for a drive. So, PDK, which are one of the fastest, if not the fastest, shifting transmission on the market. So let this thing warm up just a little bit. I'm not going to rip it too hard, but does have all your little switches down here. You have your exhaust, front lift. You can see a front lift going up because we will be needing that as we get out of our ever so steep thing here. So let's go take it out for a little drive here, folks. Guys, these cars are super, super cool. Really strong following for these things, and rightfully so. I mean, they are badass. Magnesium wheels, oh, my favorite option on this car. And a lot of people didn't get that option, but what were they? It was like $13,000 for these wheels, guys. $13,000 for wheels. Wild. This car does have full paint protection as well, as I mentioned. So you're fully protected, PPF, paint protection film throughout. And this car also does carry a CPO warranty until next year, 2026. So it is transferable. We have to do a little bit of a different kind of transfer process, but yeah. Definitely has that warranty, which is nice. This thing cruises, even though it is a track car in a sense. I mean, she cruises. Get on it if you need. No warning lights on the dash. And then this is essentially a 3-owner vehicle. So first owner had it. And then the second owner bought it as a CPO car from Wichita Porsche. That owner only had the car for maybe 100 miles, 200 miles, and then it was sold to the current owner. And the current owner now has put some miles on the car, has enjoyed it, and is now moving on to something else. So really no stories with the car. free of any accidents, damage, things like that. There you go, let me go. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. She sounds good. That aftermarket exhaust. I'll roll down the windows here a little bit so you can kind of hear that exhaust. I mean, the shifts are so responsive, it's unbelievable. If you've never driven a Porsche PDK before, I think it's like, I remember when they first came out, I thought it was like, it was magic. It's magic. I mean, cars now in 2025, going into 2026, are now getting transmissions that are just as quick as this. And this thing has been out for what? Almost 20 years. So it's just like, it's pretty wild how amazing the transmission is. I can't say enough about it. But what's really nice inside the Weissach car, obviously it's a little bit more raw. You get the carbon interior, which is nice. Obviously the carbon bucket seats, carbon steering wheel, Alcantara. I'm not a huge fan of the Alcantara steering wheels. I feel like they kind of get a little matted and not as nice. I would prefer like a more of a leather wrapped personally, but it's really soft still, so which is great. Even with 10,000 miles, it's not completely worn out. The yellow stripe is a little worn, but nothing that can't be touched up. Put it in manual mode so I can enjoy this PDK a little bit. Do have your books and things like that there. Let's listen to this PDK a little bit for this motor. Look at, watch. Click. 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 I mean, it's wild how good this transmission and this motor is. She rips, folks. It's really cool looking in the rearview mirror and you see that huge wing back there, big old carbon fiber wing. It makes you feel like you are driving a race car. So you get the visual cues as well as the auditory cues. I mean, this thing, it feels like a go-kart. It's just so fun. It's such a fun car. They did such a good job with these, and you know, I love the newer GT3RSs with that huge dovetail, you know, or whatever, swan neck spoiler, but you know, yeah, back there. I mean, this one, in my opinion, just looks a little cooler. That's just, like I said, my opinion. Oh, a little tight here. Excuse me, just sneak it through. I mean, listen to that exhaust. Still has all of its factory downpipes, things like that, so it'll pass all emissions across the country. I believe it's just a catback exhaust. The valves still work, which is nice. So you can quiet it down. It doesn't get that much quieter, I'll be completely honest with you, but it does get quieter. Well, this is a pretty cool Urus right here. This is like green one. Pretty sweet. Obviously it's not as fast as like its GT2RS brother, but it's still plenty fast. I mean, for the street, this is gnarly. Just go back into automatic mode. Let me put my front lift up here. The nice thing about Porsche front lifts is they move pretty quick, unlike some McLarens and stuff out there that have them. Moves pretty quick up and down. It's a fun car. And it looks so cool. Look at that thing, man. Shoo-wee. I love it. Looks awesome. And Anyways, guys, these cars are holding in value. They don't come around very often, especially well-maintained cars that aren't crazy modified or beat to crap on a racetrack, things like that. Obviously, you have your backup camera. I'll show you that one more time there. Backup camera. So yeah, you do have that. Guys, if you're in the market for a GT3 RS, I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. We had a GT2 RS that was similar to this, black, carbon hood, everything. That car sold, and that owner's still loving it. This car is right there with it, obviously. It's a great car. It's well maintained. Perfect example. This car will not last long. So if you're interested in this car, hit us up. Let's go. If you're in the market for a GT3 RS, this example is perfect. Y-Sock, magnesium wheels, full PPF. Guys, this is your opportunity. It's available right now at OBZU.